Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to open Binance account in Saudi Arabia. So let's dive into it. So one of the quick methods for you to be able to open the Binance account in Saudi Arabia is to visit the Binance website, or make sure you download the Binance app on your mobile device. Then from there, you have to tap or click the register button. Then select email or phone number to create an account. After that, you have to fill in your email, your phone number, and create a secure password, which include the uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and the symbols, just to have a very strong encrypted password. Then after that, you have to click the box to accept the Binance terms and click create account. Then after that, you have to enter the verification code sent to your email or phone number and upload your Saudi national ID and take a selfie and submit for identity verification. So wait for approval. So once approved, your Binance account will be ready for deposit and trading, and that's how you can easily open an account in Saudi Arabia. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.